guys! So I'm going to Alibaug for a few hours for a friend's wedding and I thought I'd get ready with you guys, but as usual I'm late. I don't know why I'm showing you guys the watch thing when I don't have a watch, but you know what I mean. I have 20 minutes to do this, so wish me luck. Let's go! So by starting with some primer, because it's great for my skin and for the look, etc, etc, but more importantly because I don't know when I'm going to be using this again thanks to the pandemic. I have not used most of my makeup, so when I get to use it I'm like, let's make the most of it. Okay, so we're just going to massage it in nicely and wait for a couple of minutes to kind of let it all soak in. While you do that, ensure you make a fool of yourself, guys, because that is very important for this look. Okay, while we wait, let me tell you guys, I'm really excited to use Jovita's brushes for this look today. This is the first time I'm using them. And what's the best thing about these is that, you know, every brush, like it's written there what it's for dummies like me. So yeah, hopefully this will be easy peasy today. So we're going to start with some foundation because I don't have any concealer still. I have made it through the pandemic for 2 years without any concealer, guys. So we're just going to dot it all over and then blend, blend, blend. Then we're going to add some of my favorite powder. This is going to like really work well today because it's outdoors. We're going to be taking a boat, etc, etc. So great for sweat and shine. And now for the eyes, we're just going to kind of mix it up and wing it. And by wing it, I don't mean like winged eyeliner because you guys know I don't know how to do that. I mean, I actually don't have any plan or no idea what I'm doing, but let's start with this palette. So we're going to start with a neutral shade and then just like, you know, play with it. So we're going to add a little shimmer, nothing too shiny, just a little subtle shimmer over the neutral shade. And then from this other palette, we're going to add an even lighter, like a dull gold just under the eyebrows to make it pop. Okay, I've had this palette for years, but I still haven't removed the film from my mirror. This is how often I use my makeup, guys. Okay, now we're going for a darker shade on the corner. So you just want to kind of do this till the middle of the lid. And then we're just going to like blend it out, like feather it out with this beautiful blending brush. Okay, now guys, the big ticket item. We're gonna wear some kajal after I don't know how long. So I'm using like a brown kajal, not a black one, because I kind of like that look. I find the black a bit too stark for me. And ta-da! I know you guys are gonna be like, oh, you look amazing with kajal and you should wear it more often, etc, etc. But guys, honestly, I just hate having stuff on my eyes. Like I'm happiest without any eye makeup, so I don't really do this often, but when I do, I know it looks pretty. Okay, moving on. So we're gonna apply some mascara to the top lashes and lower lashes. Okay, so for my brows now, we're using two of my favorite products. You guys know I like to draw them in, like brush them out and then just use some clear gel over that. I'm really digging like my, you know, overgrown, unruly brows right now. Like I'm loving this look. Then Clumsy Sherry will add some peachy blush over all of this, some highlighter to just make the cheeks pop as well. And now guys, for my lips, I'm gonna do something matte because I know I'm gonna be wearing a mask most of the time and then I don't want to have like smudged lipstick. Okay, makeup done, time for hair. Okay, I really wanted to do like my Dyson hair and all of that, but we just don't have the time for that. So we're just gonna do my usual standard hairstyle, my Indian go-to hairstyle. Just throw in some conditioner, some curl cream, braid one side and then scrunch the rest. I think I've done this hairstyle so many times, I can probably do this in my sleep now, but I love it. Okay, now as you guys know, I have a lot of grays and I could just be cool and own it and like go, but today is not that day. Today I want to be vain and I want to use my root touch-up spray and conceal them. So that's what we're going to do. I usually do this on dry hair, but today, I mean, we just don't have that kind of time. If I want to make it to my boat, it's now or never. So we're just going to spray the roots and hopefully it will all work out. And I'm almost ready, guys. See you in Alibaug. So guys, this is my final look. All my makeup and outfit details are in the description for anyone that's interested. Hope you enjoyed this get ready with me video. See you guys. Bye.